My name is Megan Hilbert. I am the CEO of Red's Rolling Restaurant 1, 2, and 3. So I actually wanted nothing to do with it because my mom owns trucks. Growing up, I was the one that would do all the dishes for her and wake up early, and she worked really hard to get where she was. And she's like, Meg, I have the second truck. If you would want to run it for me, I would love that. But I realized that I don't want to work for anyone, even if it is my mom. So I was like, well, why don't I buy the truck off of you and then do my own thing with it? So that's what put me right into the middle of the business. I love the fact that we have wheels. I love the fact that we can go everywhere and anywhere, and everything's different every time we go. But I'm the type of person that's always like, okay, I'm ready for the next thing. So once I left Rowan, I didn't necessarily think I would be back. The athletic program hires me to do a lot of their in-house catering. They also allow me to run the snack stand here at Rowan during the football games, as well as bring the food truck on the field. And I just think that's an amazing opportunity. I'm so grateful to just be able to be here and still be involved, and just know that the program that I put 4 years of hard work and dedication in is also willing to support me as an alumni and as a young entrepreneur. In the culinary world, it's very largely male-based, so I love that my truck is diverse in the sense where anybody that can pick up a spatula and work hard, I'm willing to give the opportunity to, thrive on the truck. I wanted it to be feminine because I am a female and I am proud of my business, and I want to show people that a girly little truck with pink, writings and a girl on the side of the truck can still come to the event and kill it.